puffer train. Once upon a time, BB went to visit his grandma in the country. It's been a long time since he saw her last.
It's so cool out here in the country. I'm so glad I came to visit my grand. Wow, look at this. A real puffer train.
Puffer train is a kind of train that blows steam. The first puffer train was invented in the 19th century.
Cool.
Oh no, this guy's coupling rod is broken. He must be very old. Without a coupling rod, puffer can't go anywhere. Can you help, Beebs? If puffer don't move, it can cause an accident.
Gee, I don't have any tools right now. I don't think I can help without them. Hey, hold on a second. How could I forget? My gran lives near. She's got a blacksmith. I'm sure I can fix that road out there. Woohoo!
Then we better hurry. We don't have much time.
BBs Workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BB's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BB's fixes all these orders.
A blacksmith is a craftsman who creates iron objects. It's a very old and noble profession. It is over 5,000 years old. And so BB told the blacksmith what happened to the puffer. The blacksmith listened closely and agreed to help BB to fix it.
This stuff is hot. We'll heat up the metal and it'll get soft. Then we'll fix the coupling rod by butting those pieces together. Finally, we'll cool it down to make the metals turn again.
This place looks a little messy.
What a mess!
Guys, we must help BB find the hammer. Without a hammer, we can't fix the rod. Is this the hammer?
That's a carpet beater. It's for knocking out dust.
What about these?
Nope. These are pliers.
Maybe this is the hammer.
Yep. That's the hammer. Good job. Great. It almost done, friends. Now we should cool it down to make it firm and stern.
Awesome. The coupling rod is as good as new. Let's get back to the station quick. The puffer's waiting for us.
Hey buddy, great news! We fixed your rod. Hold on, let me put it back.
Looks like the firebox got cold.
That's not good.
We must fill you up with some coal.
Where's coal? Hey guys, you gotta help me. No, that's just a newspaper. It's not enough. That's a candle. I'm not sure it'll do either. Yep, that's the coal. It should be enough to get our friend going.
Good job, guys. Together with BB and Mr. Blacksmith, we helped the puffer get back on track. Hey BB, you sure you're not forgetting anything?
Grand! She must be worried I'm not home yet. I better hurry. Bye, guys. What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BB team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.